This is about reliability and performance. Powell Advanced Technical Services have dramatically upgraded power distribution with flexible remote monitoring and control. And the PowlSmart substation is here. A substation distributes electrical power with transformers, circuit breakers, protective relays, and metering devices. In the 1960s, the Powell Electrical Manufacturing Company revolutionized the substation concept. The power control room, an integrated electrical power system, was fabricated and tested before ever reaching the job site. Still, power components are dangerous to work around, or basically inconvenient to reach. Unless technicians went into the substation, little was known about the overall substation status. And when substations are distributed throughout the facility, there's extra cost. There is a better way, a modern open architecture control and monitoring solution. It is the PowlSmart substation. Today, modern devices with industrial PCs, touch screens, PDAs, and cell phones are integrated in the PowlSmart substation. Established reliability plus smart devices. The combination means lower long-term costs, immediate convenience, better safety, better control. It is designed to do more and save you money. Powell has integrated intelligent electronic devices in the smart substation. The PowlSmart substation is the newest generation of intelligent integration. It packages a complete solution for control of all power devices, monitoring status of motors, transformers, circuit breakers, relays, and ancillary systems like battery chargers and HVAC units, alert notification for operators, maintenance information and records, communication with plant personnel, and online documentation. It can be monitored from here or here.
Powtech substation. Intruder alert. 415-2004-10-0.
Or from the main control room. For petrochemical, offshore oil production, paper mills, or dozens of other heavy industries. The PowlSmart substation is reliable and saves money by increasing user access. All this while substantially enhancing operator safety. For example, switching operations are performed outside the arc flash zone. Technicians have access from a local power control room or main control room, and yet the PowlSmart substation allows access to all traditional alarms and data from this power control room or from any office or shop. That's user access plus safety. Now, watch it work. In this switchgear assembly, microprocessor smart relays send real-time power data through a serial port. Then connection to a central network of all such devices provides data for both control decisions and control access. Fast, safe, fewer personnel needed. Forget the expensive annunciator system, as data from breakers plus dozens of other devices are displayed on a simple computer interface. At the same instant, data appears in a control room, or the engineer's office, or even on a supervisor's cell phone. This is a typical interface which presents the data and its relationships in a self-evident form. It is designed to fit the user's mental map of the task at hand. Multiple layers of security can be installed, allowing authorized control at many levels. We can convert existing equipment into a PowlSmart substation. Our technical service group can install control and monitoring systems in your plant. The term tier describes degrees of integration and levels of access and control. Tier 1 occurs inside the substation itself and is least complex and lowest cost. You access the entire substation from one point, typically a computer interface within the substation building. Technicians access instructional manuals and control schemes, even instructional videos. On Tier 2, monitoring is remotely accessible from an engineer's office or the maintenance shop. Tier 3 adds monitoring and control from the DCS. Typically, Tiers 2 and 3 result in smaller outlays for maintenance, shorter downtime, true predictive maintenance, operator awareness, and safety. Tier 3 fully implements a distributed control system. Installed cost depends on complexity, and that in turn means the number and complexity of interface graphics, the number of security layers, and the number and types of devices in the system. Return on investment is quick when you include the cost of potential downtime and physical visits by operators to substations to gather data. With the PowlSmart substation, your operation is ready for the future now. You have the basic components. You have the design from a world leader. Ownership and installation are designed to pay for themselves. Now you just connect them.